Hello everybody. Today let's have a look at what are nutrient media. These are media we use in order to grow microorganisms. Now microorganisms contain proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, fats or lipids, minerals and water. If we wish them to grow, we need to provide them with sources of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur so that they will be able to produce the proteins, nucleic acids, etc. that they need to grow. Now, the sources of nitrogen and carbon are provided in larger amounts and hence they are called macronutrients, whereas those that are provided in smaller amounts are called micronutrients. As an example, minerals and growth factors or vitamins are micronutrients.